come back. Come here. Stand here. Stand here.
I was not the one that
Did I ask you anything? Gidi.
Yes, uncle.
Gidi.
Yes, uncle.
Gidi.
Yes, uncle.
Look into my eyes.
Uncle, what did they do?
Without to look at someone's eyes. Look into my eyes. How many times did I call you?
4.
You are a fool. I called you 3 times. Now, since you have started going to school, have I seen your results? So, what of this your WAEC result? Where is it? I'm asking you, where is your WAEC result? Can't you talk?
Let me yarn.
Yan.
Do you remember that new boy now? Failed the exam.
Jesus. Serious.
Uncle, even our class prefect, he failed the exam.
Jesus. Then what about your own?
Uncle, even that boy that always win English competition, he failed the exam.
Jesus. So what about?
I mean, even social study, the boy that always win failed the exam. I mean, even CRK,
Jesus Christ,
even
this is
business
serious.
study.
So what about your
Even
own?
our class teacher follow right because we know right. He failed the exam.
Jesus. So what about your own?
Uncle, I mean, even our principal wife, he failed the exam.
Jesus Christ, this is serious.
His son that went abroad came back and read and failed the exam.
So what of that?
Uncle, I said they fell. Oh.
So you uncle, I say where's your own? Wait. Where's your own? Where? Lie down. Lie down. I will flog you like wincho. Where's your result? Where's your result?
If all those people fell, our English teacher fell, the wife fell, the principal fell, the chair from abroad fell, and he could come back. Thank you for watching that funny live show entertainment comedy. I hope you like it. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel and watch us every Monday and Friday. But for the children, always show your parents your report card. Write your exam well so that you'll be able to show your report card. Okay? Don't mind that, my papa. Always stay face.
Hey. Please share that video.
But remember, our tele teacher, he failed the exam.